Hi and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. We begin today's analysis by taking a look at Ethereum, which reached a new all-time high over 1,900 and now it's targeting 2,000 after it traded sideways for a while. And here is an insightful article from our partners at Crypto, which are looking at the wave count, which is projecting targets for the top of that wave near the 2,250 level for Ethereum versus Tether. So let's take a look at the Ethereum chart and discuss what we are seeing. First of all, the presentation that we currently have on the chart is exactly as it was from yesterday's video. I recommended long positions over 1,800 and you can see that this successfully materialized into a successful long position. However, today we're adjusting the targets and the first target is going to be at 2,000 in light of the recent market developments. However, our entry position is going to move to 1,900, which is a substantial psychological level, so it's likely to act as a fairly robust support area. However, we're moving our target for switching our position to a short position to around 1,830 simply because the market dynamics have shifted. Conversely, our target for a short position, if we were to break that 1,830 level, is going to be 1,750 on the downside. Now, here I want to explain a question that many of you may have, and that is why I give recommendations both for short and long positions, and that is because crypto markets move very quickly. I want to make sure that by the time you're watching the video, you're still getting a meaningful trading idea that you can use even if the markets have moved in the opposite direction. Now that we have cleared that, let's move to taking a look at Bitcoin, which also reached a new all-time high, and now the real question is whether it can reach 60,000. And once again, very insightful article from our partners at Crypto is suggesting that the top target for that wave can be in the neighborhood of 55,000 to 55,900, which are going to be our longer term targets for Bitcoin. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So what we can see on the 4-hour chart is that Bitcoin is trading inside of a ascending channel. At the moment there is a bit of consolidation going on. I think this is giving us new opportunities to initiate long positions as long as we're above 51,000 with the target at 53,000, and then later on targeting at 55,000 as our partners from Crypto suggest. However, if we break below the psychological level of 50,000, further declines can take us all the way down to 48,000. We can see that the MACD line setup is still bullish. However, the relative strength index on the 4-hour chart dipped below 70, which to me is not a reason to be concerned at the moment. And the final two ideas for today are, first of all, in NEO versus Tether. And what we are observing on the 4-hour chart is that, let me just hide that away, what we have on the 4-hour chart is that we're just about to witness a bullish crossover with the blue MACD line going over the red signaling line. In addition to that, we just had a bullish breakout outside of that consolidating triangle, and the relative strength index is supporting us with a reading above 50. So to me there is an opportunity to initiate a long position in NEO versus Tether as long as we're over 42.50 with a target at 47 and a stop loss at 40. And the final idea for today is in VeChain versus Tether. A very similar presentation. We had a consolidating triangle pattern in the 4-hour chart coupled with a strong breakout at the last 4-hour candle. So over 0.05, I'm looking for long positions with target initially at 0.6 and then subsequently at 0.7. This bullish breakout is supported by a bullish crossover in the MACD indicator, the blue MACD line over the red signaling line, and finally relative strength index climbing healthily to the overbought level of 70, which is conducive to strong rallies in cryptos. Thanks very much for joining me today. Remember to keep learning with the video education section, the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection, and of course, very importantly, join our Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way, you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.